Now, more than the originally announced number of 5,000 vaccinated spectators could be approved for the Reggae Boys CONCACAF World Cup qualifier against the United States next month at the National Stadium. The government announced on Tuesday that no spectators would be allowed for the match, but a U-turn was made late Thursday evening following an emergency meeting between the JFF and local government minister Desmond McKenzie. Those discussions saw a maximum of 5,000 fans being agreed on, but JFF President Mike Ricketts says that number could increase.
Well, we are hoping, but it could be a little more than 5,000. But we are expected to sell 5,000 tickets. But there are some other little details that could move the number a little bit up.
Ricketts told TVJ Sports that the details for the match will be finalized at another meeting with the minister.
We have a subsequent meeting tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock at Minister McKenzie's office. All the details and logistics will be sorted out, and he wants to make a public comment, and usually on Monday. So all the I's will be dotted and the T's crossed, so that everything can be included.
The match is scheduled to kick off at 5 p.m. on a Tuesday, November 16. Before that, the Reggae Boys will travel to El Salvador for their next World Cup qualifying match on November 12. Jamaica are currently 6th in the CONCACAF final round World Cup qualifying with 5 points.